The family of 6-year-old Zayn Rayyan Abdul Matiin says the boy's remains will be laid to rest at the Muslim cemetery in Section 9, Kota Damansara. The autistic boy's grandfather, Zahari Mohd Reba, told Zayn Rayyan that the burial arrangements will depend on the post-mortem results. The victim's body had been sent to Sg Buloh Hospital for the autopsy. Zayn Rayyan, who was nonverbal, went missing at the Idaman apartment in Damansara, Damai on Tuesday afternoon. A team of 40 police personnel, along with 60 residents, split into groups to search for the boy. Police also enlisted the help of the Fire and Rescue Department, Malaysian Civil Defence Force, and the K9 unit. A resident found Zayn Rayyan's body in a stream some 100 meters from the apartment at 10 p.m. on Wednesday. Petaling Jaya District Police Chief ACP Muhammad Fakhruddin Abdul Hamid urged the public to refrain from speculating on the case.
Saya minta pada semua tuan-tuan dan puan, kita jangan buat apa-apa andaian. Apa-apa andaian pun berkaitan dengan penemuan yang arwah yang kata telah pergi dengan kita. Anggapnya ia adalah satu takdir kepada Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, dan biarlah pihak polis menyalakan siasatan berkaitan perkara ini, dan apa-apa berkaitan dengan siasatan ini kita akan maklum melalui media kita.
Police have classified the case under sudden death pending the post-mortem report and further investigations.